Before your water heater springs an untimely and messy leak, call Replace That Rod and extend its life dramatically. Nearly all water heaters are prematurely discarded simply because of corrosion due to lack of proper preventive maintenance. Tank service life can double or even triple through maintenance that includes timely sacrificial anode replacement and removal of the nasty accumulations formed within your tank. Contact Replace That Rod today to find out how we can help you get the most out of your home's water heater.